Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old. Let's get it. I woke up to a $297 payment from PayPal. Not gonna lie, I've been scrolling on TikTok for the past hour, but it's time to get this Monday started. So Mondays aren't terrible. I have a meeting with my sales team in 26 minutes I gotta get ready for. Then later this afternoon, I have a meeting with my business partners. That's pretty much it. If you're wondering what I do with all my free time, one, I sleep in. Obviously it's 10 a.m. But two, I usually just work out when I feel like it. Hit the pool, hot tub, steam room, sauna. The classic combo, I say. I guess we'll have to see. Let's get the day started. Let's go. Alright, I have my sales team meeting in 3 minutes, so I gotta get changed. So obviously can't show up to the meeting shirtless. I'm putting in a lot of work for my sales team, going over the call recordings, going over the reviews. And one thing that does frustrate me, I feel like the changes I'm trying to make aren't being implemented with a sense of urgency that I need it to be. I filmed like a 2-hour-long sales training video, and I don't even think that my team has fully gone through it. So I'm gonna see what's up with that. That is something I'm still working on right now, is like, becoming the leader that can lead my team. Right now, doing what I know I can do best, but sometimes you gotta do even better. Step into that person that can reach your goals. Right now, that's something I'm still figuring out. So that being said, let's cut to the meeting. Now I have a meeting with my inner circle students. Okay, just wrapped up my inner circle group coaching call with my students. Always great talking to them, but now it's time to get a workout in. So let's get rid of the white linen shirt. By the way, I totally forgot. If you are interested in getting live coaching from me, just check out the link in my description. It has the details for my inner circle. No pressure. It's not gonna change my life if you join. I know it'll definitely change yours, but hey, I can't control your life, you do you. But again, if you are interested in getting live coaching from me and getting my personal help and mentorship, just check out the link in my description and all the details are there. Anyways, let's get changed for the gym. All right, we're about to get a haircut with my boy, Jay. Jay, say what's up. And oh yeah, vlog. I'm also taking my business partner meeting on the phone while I'm getting a haircut because gotta leverage your time properly. I've been scrolling on TikTok for the past hour. Appreciate you, boy.
Sure, anytime,
yes, sir.
Man.
All right, wow, my haircut looks interesting. We're about to start chefing up some steak today. Gotta get the test up, gotta get my health up. You know what I'm talking about? So let's cut to it. Okay, drum roll, please. Not my best work. Kind of messed up the steak a little bit, but got a nice little medium rare, medium, and some broccoli. Not too bad, but let's have a little taste test. All right, about to head off to bed, but a couple closing thoughts for the day. So a couple things I learned today is one, shit takes time. There's like a lot of changes and a lot of things I want to do with my business, but like quite frankly, like I can't fix it now. Like it takes time. So a couple specific examples, like one, my Instagram account is shadow banned. I'm not capping, by the way. Like I'm not making that as an excuse. Like fuck, it's not even loading. Okay, I can't even show you. Basically, if you go to Instagram and you go to account status, it says I can't reach non-followers. So my Instagram account's fucked. And so we paid a guy to get my Instagram account fixed, but that's gonna take about 10 days when we paid him. It's been like 6 days so far. So that's one example. I want to fix my IG, but it's not going to happen overnight. Like it's going to take some time. Two is like I want my sales team to close better. I want them to perform. I want them to really take things to the next level. It's been like a week since I made that 2-hour-long sales training video, and I still don't think my closers have fully gone through it. At least they haven't told me yet. That's going to take some time too. And then three, obviously like this YouTube grind. Like I'm not even doing these daily YouTube vlogs for the views. Like I could care less. Even if I got like 100 views per YouTube video, like I would still do this because I love filming every day. It's almost like you're my best friend and I'm just talking to you about everything. And also like genuinely, like every time my editor sends me the next video saying like the first draft is ready, I'm always like excited, like a kid on Christmas morning, like, oh shit, like my next video is up, this is lit. But yeah, even like this YouTube series, like I'm not gonna blow up and get 100K subs or 1 million subs overnight. Like it's gonna take a long time of consistent quality effort every single day showing up. I think it just goes to show in business, Nothing happens overnight. Everything requires a whole fuck ton of work, just grinding every day, day in, day out. And the hardest part about it all is you're not even going to see the results the first couple days, first couple weeks, months, maybe even years. But I promise you, like, all the work you're putting in right now will pay off. You just don't see it yet. Obviously, you guys see the life I built right now, but this didn't happen overnight. This is my 5th year in entrepreneurship. Put that in perspective. Like, what were you doing in 2019? All right, I just want you to put that in perspective, how long ago that was. All the actions I did back in 2019, 2020, and so forth directly led to where I am right now. I didn't make a single dollar online my first year of business. Can you imagine that? Like, putting in a whole year of work. Like, I was sending thousands of cold emails, cold calling, cold DMing, and didn't land a single client. Didn't make any money. Can you imagine that? But because I put in all that work, it directly led to where I am at right now. And so obviously now that I'm at this position, making 100K a month, like, I want to get to the next level. Like, I want to reach $1 million a month. Just because I'm not seeing the results right now doesn't mean it's not paying off. As long as I'm in the direction of $1 million a month, not making excuses, and just fucking put my head down and keep fucking going no matter what, I will get there. As long as I get to keep playing, then I'm still fucking winning. And so yeah, I might just be yapping my ass up right now, but how does this apply to you? Like, every entrepreneur I talk to has a period where it's fucking rough, where you feel like you're doing all this work and you can't seem to make a dollar. But yeah, as always, official numbers for the day, not great again, but that's the whole point of this series, is to hold me accountable and to show you guys the ups and downs and everything between. I'm very embarrassed to show this, but I made $929 today. Fucking awful, bro. I'm always disgusted, and like, I hate seeing numbers that are less than $1,000 to $3,000 a day. It's almost like a hygiene standard. And so yeah, I could look at the past 2 days, like, damn, I didn't hit a $1,000 day the past 2 days. Like, I'm cooked. This might be like a relative slump in the short term, but if I zoom out far enough, I still know I'm in the trajectory to $1 million a month. Let me try to find a graph to describe it. It looks like this, where you go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And so a lot of entrepreneurs, maybe they hit an up mark, make some progress, but then they go downhill. Maybe they're at this period right here. And so yeah, in the short term, it might look like you're on a decline. It might look like you're washed. If you zoom out far enough, then you're actually on a strictly uphill trajectory. You think so short term that you can't think long term enough to realize that you're still in the right direction. And so that's what I tell myself every time I go through rough stretches, and when I have down days or down weeks or even down months. Renzo, you're thinking way too short term. But yeah, as always, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biggest takeaways in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.